got jackpot Forex for this week. You can see my analysis. Okay guys. Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the Aim Trader. We have analysis our major pair. You can see that what I have told you, if it taken a here support, so you can go for your first, second and third target. Okay guys, you can see that it taken support. After that it consolidate, after that it breaks. I have told you, if it take here resistance somewhere, you can go for your first target and second target. Our both target is reached in here. Okay guys, here our one stop loss is hitted. Okay guys, our trailing stop loss only. Okay guys, we can see next Forex currency, British pound versus US pound. You can see that what I have told you, if it will break, then you can go for these target. Okay guys, after it breaks, you can see here what happened is that I will just remove this. Okay guys, you can see here what happened. It breaks, taking continuously resistance from this trend line only. After this taken resistance, somewhere here only I have entered, and my SL is somewhere this big candle is made. After that I have taken this third candle and my SL will be here, and you can see that our all target are reached, and even we get so much nice target only. Okay guys, up till here our target is our first target, second target, third target and fourth target. In flow it is going down, so I have taken up till here. I am trailing the stop loss, and here somewhere our trailing stop loss hit. Our profit is very big. You can see here very big profit we have had in British pound versus US dollar. Okay guys, you can see here also what I have told you, euro versus British pound. I have told you that if it will take support here somewhere, you can see that it made a double bottom type. After that this double bottom type is made. I have somewhere here only at this candle or this candle. Okay, this candle only I have taken a trade, and you can see that it is continuously consolidating. Our first target is hit. Okay guys, second target also hit it. I have booked my profit in this second target only. You can see that I have told you, if it will take support here, otherwise you can see that this is the area where it is taking a buyer is activated. So here double bottom we have seen and taken here position. Why I have not taken here somewhere it is breakout, but because of I have told you this is the supporting area. Okay guys, if it is not acting as a supporting area, then I will don't buy. After this is the area of buying zone. After here somewhere buyer will come, then only I will take a small, very small stop loss and take here my position. You can see that our first, second, both target are hitted. Okay guys, in US dollar versus Canadian dollar, what I have told you, this is the one of the biggest and nicest trade what we have traded. Okay guys, I have told you, if it will take a resistance, then our first target, second target and third target. Our first target hitted, second target, third target too. Okay guys, after that this you can see that exact here only it taken a support. Okay guys, slightly after that you can see that our in upside also it given us downside also, upside move also. This is our first target, second target, third target, even fourth target. All target are hitted in US dollar versus Canadian dollar. Our both way, in downside also we have got profit, and upward also we have got profit guys. This is the thing what trader can has to do. Okay guys, like this only. Here also you can see that what happened US dollar versus Swiss francs. You can see that it continuously come in downside and not taken resistance. If it taken resistance, I will surely go for. After that I am seeing that here buyer and seller is so much fighting. After this red candle will be crossed, I will definitely go for sell. Okay guys, in short position. But what happened after this green candle is crossed, I have gone for buying position. I have kept my buying position here somewhere. Okay guys, my SL will be this supporting area, and I have taken a small quantity. Okay guys, small quantity. After it breaks, our first target easily hitted, second target also hitted. After second target only I have booked my whole quantity, because I have told you many times that I will book my quantity from 2 trades only. Okay guys, after this you can see here what happened. It continuously taking resistance from here, it taken support here, so I have taken a one chance only. Okay guys, here somewhere it taken a support. Okay guys, after that you can see that here our first target is hit it. After that it's continuously taking a flow upside momentum. After that you can see that I have trailed my SL somewhere here. Okay guys, after that it continuously coming downside, you can see here. After that this is the defending area. Okay guys, this is defending area. After this is coming downside, you can see that I have taken here only somewhere and my SL will be here. Okay guys, otherwise you can see here you can take your trade because it is taking a resistance. After that here only you can see that it is taken a supporting area. Okay guys, we have discussed that it will take support here, but this is I have traded what I have traded. I have told you here also one shorting position. After this green candle I have seen my SL will be here and I have bought that this green candle. You can see that our first target hit it, second, third target very smallly we have just not got here third target hit. Okay guys, we have got very nice trade. Okay guys, you can see in UD versus USD dollar, you can see here what I have told you. It is taking here support only guys. Okay guys, it gone up. After that our first target hit it, it came once again downside. Okay guys, it taking a resistance from here only, but I have no money for this. Okay guys, that's why I have not taken UD versus USD dollar any position. So we can see next Euro versus Japanese yen. You can see that what I have told you, if it will consolidate then only go for your upside target. You can see here what happened, it breaks. Okay guys, after that it continuously consolidating only. Okay guys, I have not taken here also trade when I am seeing that it is taking once again here resistance somewhere, is trend line only. So this small candles you are seeing, this small candle, this means buyer are not so much dominating here. Sellers once came, after that buyers once again came, but here is that buyer is not interested here. So our first target, second target and third target all are achieved in Euro versus Japanese yen. Okay guys, after here only you can see that reversible. You can see that after our achieved, you can see that how nicely it reversible and taking now resistance guys. Okay guys, we can see in Australian dollar versus Swiss dollar. Okay guys, what I have told you, if it take here support, you can see that exactly here only it taken support. Our first target, second target achieved. After that only it's once again taken a here only a sellers came, taken it downside once again. Here you can see that double top also. You can see here it making a double top. I will show you once again. You can see here this is the double top. Okay guys, not exactly we want that it has same height, but it taking a double top. After that you can see that I have taken a not taken any here trade. After this achieved, after it taking once again here support, what I have done here it came. Okay guys, I have bought at this point only because I know that my SL will be very small because this green candle is my SL. So my green I have got very nice to risk to reward ratio if it breaks once again and gives us very nice target. So what happened, it continuously consolidating only. At this point only I think that I will book my profit. After that I will say think that let it be. I have so much small profit, so much small SL, so that's why I have taken a patience and kept it as a trading. You can see that how nice it given us our target. I have booked somewhere here this green candle only because it is closing time only. Forex weekendly closed, so that's why I booked my here only profit. So we have got all trades whichever we have taken, they have got very nicely worked in our area. Okay guys, you can see in British pound versus Japanese yen also I have told you if it will take here somewhere. Our first target will be here. You can see that easily achieved. After that I have trailed my you know that every time I will trail my SL. Okay guys, here only I have trailed after this break. Okay, I have got some small profit. After that I have seen that it taking resistance, so I have got very much confidence. After that this red candle, you can see that I have entered here somewhere. My SL will be here. My first target, second target and third target, all target are achieved. Okay.